This today I'm going to give you an updated video. Those who have been following, you will remember when we installed this tilapia backyard farm. We made a video how we set this up less than 2,000 Ghana cedis, and we have 100 tilapia fingerling stock here. I stocked this farm in the hand of the clients or the farmer or the caretaker. Then I went to Accra for about a month. I just returned and I've come to the farm and I want to see how they have been developing, whether they are growing or not. Because personally, I don't know their stage for now, as to whether they are growing or not. So I'm going to give them feed to see how they are doing and how they react to the feed. They have been feeding them morning, afternoon, and evening. So this is afternoon time. So we are going to give them feed. And remember, I always tell you that tilapia are not like catfish, so they don't react vigorously to feed. They are the shy type. But let's see how they will react. At least we will see whether they are growing or not. Can you show the camera here? Let me off the aerator. Well, when they are eating, don't they come out?
Sometimes they come out.
I want to see how they are growing and how they are feeding.
And they usually come out when off the aerator.
Okay.
So they come at the surface of the water before the aeration is off.
Okay.
They come at the surface of
Okay.
oxygen.
Okay. The farmers tell me that usually you don't see them this way, but when you off the aerator and it's no more working, then they come on the surface, then you can see them. That means that at that time they are coming or they're gasping for oxygen. But this case, if the aerator is working, then there's enough oxygen for them. So they'll be at the bottom. So sometimes they feed in the bottom, so they are bottom feeders. So we have not seen them as I wanted us to see them. However, I'm very sure that they are growing because the caretaker yesterday was telling me or was asking me about the idea of selling them and stocking new ones. It means that if they are so smaller that we brought them, she couldn't or she wouldn't have suggested that. So they are improving. Maybe when I come next time and they are on the surface, I will take them the videos and let you know. So this is it, small farm. Like I told you, this farm is made for a purpose, not just to raise the tilapia. We are also setting up aquaponics to produce both crops and vegetables in this tank. So we are still developing it. That's why I'm not giving you updates or videos on that. So you stay watching, subscribe to this channel, and let's grow our fish together. And let's learn more fish farming tips. Now on the aerator. The aerator, yeah, as you can see the bubbles. This is the venture way of aeration. So the submersible pump is giving the aeration, and you can see the bubbles forming. So you can see the bubbles forming. So as the bubbles are forming, it is also adding oxygen to them. So this in combination with the flotation system will make you to run the farm all the time without changing the water. So this is very good and the tilapia are enjoying. And one thing you must note is that tilapia, it is very difficult to raise tilapia without having flotation and aeration. Yes, they are not like catfish. So it is very difficult. You can, but it's difficult. But you always have to change the water. And constantly change the water too is sourcing the fish. So even though we didn't see the fish, but at least they are developing. And as the feed is sinking, you take it under. So now that is it. But before we say bye, uh, let's cover it up. This is to prevent predators. Like I told you, we have predators nets, but if you don't have it, we improvise. Like we have improvised with mosquito net. So now when the predator bursts, come in here to feed on it, then this will tap them. Also, the mango trees, sometimes the leaves fall in and then the flowers also fall, as you can see. Now, this covered means that when they are falling, it will rather fall on here instead of falling directly into the pond. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please do so. And don't forget to contact us to make your flotation irrigation system for you. And also, uh, if you want to learn it yourself, we have DIY flotation irrigation system. The link is in the description. You can sign up. And also, to give you good news, I'm also making a course, which the link shall be available here for those who are interested. Thank you very much.